Hi, today I want to talk about the classification of dyes on the basis of application. Actually, in my earlier video, I talked about actually the different classification of dyes based on other criteria. I talked about actually the dyes are classified on the basis of type of extruded and type of the product. The other one is actually based on the melt flow inside the die, and the third one was based on the construction of the die. But those are actually overall type of classification. Now today I will talk about actually how the dies are classified on the basis of application, because you are making different plastic parts by using extruder and dies. So how the dies are classified based on the application. So based on the application, the extrusion dies are classified into 6 groups. One is rod die, the second one is pipe die, third one is profile die, fourth one is blown film die, fifth one is flat film and sheet die, and the sixth one is wire and cable coating dies. This wire and cable coating dies we are using to make the different wires used in actually electrical cables and many other applications. So repeating again, based on application, the dies are classified. Extrusion dies are classified as rod die, pipe die, profile die, blown film die, flat film and sheet dies, and the last one and the sixth one is wire and cable coating dies. So if we'll go individually, again some subgroups are there. For example, rod die. Rod die do not have any type of subgroup. It is a single type of die where actually we used to get the uh, plastic rods through extrusion process. But the second one, which is pipe die, the plastic pipes are manufactured by using the dies, and those dies, pipe dies, are again classified in three ways. There are three types of pipe dies. The pipe dies are three types. So what are those three types? One is inline pipe die, second one is offset die, and the third one is co-extrusion inline pipe die. So pipe dies are three types: inline pipe die, offset die, and co-extrusion inline pipe die. So as I told you, first one rod die only single type, but pipe dies are actually three types. Then next one is profile die. The profile dies are two types. Profile dies based on how the material will enter the die and all, actually they are classified. So the profile dies are classified into two types. One is flat back dies and the other one is semi streamlined die. Like pipe dies three types, profile dies are two types. One is flat back die, the second one is semi streamlined die. Next we'll go for fourth one. The fourth one is blown film dies. To make these plastic uh, covers and all, big size plastic covers, what the many industry, actually many these shops are there using, no, for big covers. Uh, so those type of plastic covers are manufactured uh, by blown film extrusion process, and blown film dies are again five types. Like pipe dies are three types, profile dies are two types, blown film dies are five types, based on actually how we are feeding the material to the die. Number one is side fed die, the second one is center fed die, third one is rotating tubular die, fourth one is spiral mandrel die, and the fifth one is Parisian die. Blown film dies are 5 types. One is side fed die, second one is center fed die, third one is rotating tubular die, number 4 is spiral mandrel die, and the last one is Parisian die. Blown film dies are 5 types. Next one is the fifth category, which is actually flat film and sheet dies. Many practical applications are there to make flat film and plastic sheets for multiple applications. So flat film and sheet dies are 3 types. Flat film and sheet dies are 3 types, like pipe dies 3 types, profile dies are 2 types, blown film dies are 5 types. This flat film and sheet dies are 3 types. 3 type of different designs are there. One is fish tail die. Second one is coat hanger die, and the third one is manifold T design die. So based on design, these flat film and sheet dies are classified into 3. One is fish tail die, the second one is coat hanger die, and the third one is T design die or manifold T die. Now the last one is wire and cable coating dies. Wire and cable coating dies are 2 types. Wire and cable coating dies are 2 types. So what are those 2 types? One is called pressure die, the other one is tube die. So like this, I have classified the dies only based on the application. Earlier in my earlier videos, I already talked about actually the classification dies based on melt flow, based on actually the type of product you are getting, and based on actually how the die is manufactured, whether it is a single piece or multiple piece. But today's video, this is only for classification dies based on the practical applications. So there are 6 types: rod die, pipe die, profile die, blown film die, flat film and sheet die, and the 6th one is wire and cable die, wire and cable coating die. As I told already, rod die only 1 type, but pipe dies are 3 types, profile dies are 2 types, blown film dies are 5 types, and flat film and sheet dies are 3 types. Like I told, one is fish tail die, coat hanger die, and the third one is T design die or manifold T die, and the 6th one is wire and cable coating dies. Wire and cable coating dies are basic designs. All these classifications are based on actual design. So one is pressure die and the other one is tube die. So with this, I stop myself for the classification of dies based on practical